guys, welcome to another Carsexposed service video. Today we're going to be working on a Nissan Qashqai 2007, I believe it's Mark II, and we're going to be changing the oil filter, air filter. All you're going to need is a 14mm spanner, a 10mm socket, some kind of plumber's pliers to remove the oil filter, and that is it. The job costs about £45 for the oil, air filter and engine oil. At the end, as a bonus video, I'm gonna leave a link in the description how to change your serpentine belts or auxiliary belts. That's it for today. Let's go. So first we're gonna remove the engine tray. There are 3 10mm bolts at the front of the tray. Then at the back of the tray you have 2 plastic clips at the back of the tray. So this side you didn't have any clips there, so obviously it was missing, and someone put just a cable tie around. So after that, the under tray comes off. Then we move on to draining the oil from the oil sump. Is a 14mm oil sump plug. So undo the plug, drain the oil, and next we're gonna do the oil filter. So the oil filter is situated at the front of the engine between the radiator fan and the engine block at the bottom. It's a bit tight, but you know, I think the best thing here would be probably a plumbing pliers. The tool that I had was quite difficult to get it out, to be honest, but yeah, just take your time. It's very easy. Just unscrew anti-clockwise. Next, the air filter. That is super easy. 2 clips, undo the clips, pull back and then pull up. Super easy air filter to replace. So remove the old one, just check inside for any debris or leaves. So this one here was full of leaves inside, and yeah, remove the old one. And then when you fit in the new one, just make sure it's all the way in. It's pushed in properly around the corners, otherwise it won't go into this place very easy and seal everything up. So make sure it's all pushed in properly, and then is the case to slide it in and push it up, and clips again. Very easy job. So now we're gonna replace the oil filter. Always try to fill it up the oil filter as much as you can. So you got, like, inside you have paper filter. Oh, try not to drop the camera as well. You have paper filter inside, and you wanna put some oil inside, and for the paper to absorb some oil, so you know the engine doesn't have a hard time with any oil starvation anywhere. and then you lubricate the seal, and is the case to screw in again. I started from the bottom and then I went to the top. It was easy for me to kind of get a better grip and tighten properly. And then next, a very important step. Never forget to put engine oil back into the engine. So this engine here takes approximately 4.3 liters of oil. Now the last step, we're going to reset the service light. This vehicle here still had about 4,000 miles to go for the next service, but it did more than 12 months without changing the oil, so we had to do the service. So first we're gonna turn the ignition off, press and hold the trip knob, turn the ignition on, it's quite hard to hold the camera and do it at the same time, until the service mileage start flashing, so you see 4,000 there. Release your finger and then press, and then it resets it to 12,500 miles, and that's it. That's the service light reset. So that's it guys for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and leave any comments in the box below with some suggestion. What am I missed? What would you like to, any questions about the job that I can give information out, you know, more than welcome. Thank you very much, and see you at the next video.